Yehey! Our first elementary graduate, si Kuya Tubi. Siyempre, ang lolo kag lola ang nagtakod ka ribbon. Maaga pa sanda nag-abot sa school. Yun na naman mga alls, early birds. Tapos, burawda na yung stage pagpa picture-picture kaya siyempre wala pa tawo. And si Lola man kag si Lolo na ang nagtakad sang ribbon. Mayo na ang ribbon kag mga awards subong isa na ka pagbutang, hindi na unlike before na kada awards mo saka ka sa stage, saka panaog, yawan ka saka panaog subong isahan na lang. So mayo na lang para diretso kay hindi na yawan saka ang manog takod ribbon Damo award si Toby. So sulo anay ni lolo kag lola ang takad kay si Mami Raquel busy pa kay siya one of the MC sa graduation sang Tubungan Elementary School.
Toby will receive a conduct award. Best in math, best in AP, best in science, the Boy Scout of the Year, the Journalism Awardee, the Leadership Awardee, and the DLC Member Awardee. A round of applause for Tubi Chet L. Pasaketi with high honors.
Sarangan man gali ni lolo na junior magsaka sa stage nga wala baston. Kaya naman gali para makatakod lang ka ribbon kay first apo na Thank you Toby for your inspiring words sa mga fellow graduates mo and also sa message mo to your teachers and sa mga benefactors niyo sa schools ninyo.
We could not yet imagine. And who believe in our potentials? Even we were blinded by our own doubts. They help us realize that our accomplishments are never ours alone. Rather, the harvest of seeds saw potential in us, even we did not see it ourselves. You taught us that learning is more than just getting the right answer. It is about being curious, asking questions, trying again when we fail, and caring for others along the way. You showed us that mistakes are not the end, but stepping stones to growth, and that every challenge we face can teach us.
Mga tita mo wala ka uli sa graduation mo kay alang-alang gid, so i-surprise na lang nila ikaw sang money garland. Hopefully nalipay ka man. Ayan, may target ka na nga baklon. Congratulations again and good luck sa new journey mo sa high school life.